Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your Google Calendar into your Outlook account. So first, log into your Google Calendar and then in the main screen, you will see the main menu. Click on the main menu on the top left corner of the screen. And after clicking this, click the My Calendars tab. After clicking it, click the calendar that you want to copy or add into your Outlook account. And then click the three dots beside it and click Settings and Sharing. Scroll a little until you find Integrate Calendar. Now, we have to copy the secret address we will be adding in our Outlook account. And click OK. Now, let's head into our Outlook account. In our Outlook account, click the calendar icon in the left side of the screen. And then click the Add Calendar button. And tap in Subscribe from Web. Now, paste the secret link that we copied earlier, and then name this calendar. Now, select the Import button or click the Import button. And that's it. It has been successfully imported in our Outlook account. And there's it. As you can see here, it has now been added in our Outlook account, and that is how to add Google Calendar in your Outlook account. And thank you for listening.